This video demonstrates how to use the OBSBOT Wireless Multi-Cam Connector. Upon unpacking, you'll find these package items: warranty card, user guide, OBSBOT Wireless Multi-Cam Connector, USB-C data cable, status indicator or pairing button, USB-C power input port. Before use, please ensure you have downloaded the latest version of OBSBOT Live. Connect the connector to the USB-C port of your phone or tablet. Blue lights flash circularly to indicate the connector is powering on and initializing. Power on the camera you wish to pair. Press and hold the pairing button for 3 seconds. A blue light flashing indicates that camera pairing is in process. Triple-click the camera's power button. Wait 5 to 10 seconds. When the connector's indicator light turns green, pairing is successful. You can also pair the cameras via OBSBOT Live. Click plus and select the cameras you want to add. Wait 5 to 10 seconds. When the connector's indicator light turns green, pairing is successful. The connector can pair with up to 3 cameras simultaneously. Replace or unpair the added camera here. Tap Get Started to start using. When the camera is successfully paired but the signal is weak, the indicator light on the connector will be solid yellow. Connecting it to a power source allows you to charge and use your device simultaneously. Please do not plug or unplug the power cable while the connector is in use, as this may cause current fluctuations that could restart the device. After the first successful pairing, the connector will automatically connect the cameras during subsequent uses. Thanks for watching this video.
Created by OBSBOT.